What's up with it, y'all? You know we back with another snack review, man. This ain't that. This something light, you hear me? I just got off from work, you know what I'm saying? So I was in the store. So I saw these two, the snacks. I had to, we gotta try them out. You gotta see what they get for. But Haribo then came up with some sour streams. You know what I'm saying? They don't say the flavor. Oh yeah, they do got the flavors. Sour blue raspberry, sour cherry, sour orange, and sour apple. And y'all know I hate sour apple. But I'm doing this for y'all. But I got this at the dollar store, man. Doing the sour apple first. Really ain't too bad. Really ain't too bad. Really ain't too bad. Ooh. Oh. Gotta watch that. The sour orange. Good. Really, okay. Tastes like an orange strawberry. Got the blueberry. I think raspberry sour. I think it's blueberry right there. I think if they would have had a blueberry strawberry, that would be it. The cherry, sour cherry. Cool. That one tastes like the cherries, the red strawberries. The whole pack, I give it a 10 out of 10. Now we got sour dudes, which consists of sour watermelon, sour peach, sour strawberry, and sour cherry. And this is also from the dollar store. Watermelon, let's start off with that. Not bad. Tastes like them. I forgot what them watermelon candies that come in a pack like that. Tastes just like that. Oh, strawberry. That strawberry good. I love strawberry here. Sour cherry. It was good. It's a little tough, but it's that good. Sour peach. Good. Whole pack. I leave it a 10 out of 10. So if you around the area, you got your local dollar store, check them out. You know what I'm saying? I rate both of these 10 out of 10. Man. But we got more coming up. Also, I got something that came in the mail. The coffee everybody been talking about all over Facebook, Instagram, whatever. But I'm gonna try this out for a few days, and I'm gonna hit y'all back with the review on it because a lot of people say it worked. You know, some people say it don't, but we go see. So in the meantime, you know I'm your boy A-Pain, T-Pain, everybody you know drink, and I'll see y'all on the next review.
Guess who's back in effect? Guess who's back? I got the fix. Scarface, I'm a vet. I know it's probably been a year, but I've been chasing.